Hi guys, welcome on BitHave channel. Today we will talk about how to create or set up limit order. It will be by order. So first of all, we need to do a few steps. We need to push a trade button and then start trading. Okay, so now we need to choose our coin. It will be, for example, coin with USDT. Okay. Alright, this is a main menu, a main chart, how you can see. Now we need to find out the price where we want to buy it. So we are looking our comfortable price for us exactly. And now we need to put so the price which we want to buy. It will be 1 point. And then how much tons we want to buy it. So for example, 10 tons, so it will be 16,469 USDT. But for example, we put also you can choose a percent. So we will buy it 0.65 tons with 1 USDT. Okay, so now we need to push the button by ton, and that's all. Your order is successfully placed. So now we need to wait when the price comes down and the order will be. So guys, subscribe on the channel and have a nice day.